right, so you clicked on this video here, man, because you just picked up your brand new iPhone 15 Pro and you thinking about possibly getting some cases for it and all of that, as well as the wallets. Well, in this video here, y'all, I picked up every single iPhone silicone case, as well as the brand new iPhone wallets that they also came out with. And so we're gonna be pairing both of these on the iPhone 15 Pro that I just unboxed in my previous video. So if you want to check that out, that video is right up here. But I did this video here on my iPhone 13 Pro here that I have, and I showed you guys exactly what they look like on there. But as you guys know, these cases are not made for the iPhone 13 Pro. So I told you guys I was gonna do this video again once we get the iPhone 15 Pro in house. So that's what we're doing. All right, so let's go ahead and go through all of these here. Now, again, I will have each and every single one of these cases linked down in the description section below, as well as I will have my C1 signature stand, as well as all of its colors and all of the different options that you guys can get, as you can see right here, because we got it in blue, we got it in green, we got it in space gray, we got it in orange, as well as we have it in silver. So we got all of the different color options that you guys need when it comes to these. And for the sake of today's video, I'm going to be showing you each one of the cases and like the stands that I personally think is going to match well with it. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. Now, again, I don't know exactly the color of this one here, but this is, I'm just going to call it the orange color here because I can't remember all of the color names, but I'll have it up here on the screen for you guys. This is what the silicone case in the orange is going to look like without an actual phone in it. So again, we get our two-tone button here on the side, and then we get our two-tone color button here on the left side as far as our volume, as well as our new action button. And then we get a soft material on the inside. So this right here is definitely not scratching your new iPhone by any means. And then we get a cutout here at the bottom for our speaker grills, as well as the new USB-C port, which I'm hyped for with this phone, because again, no more lugging around multiple cables, y'all. Like, them days is over. So let's go ahead and put the new iPhone. Now, the color that I have here before I get into it is the new natural titanium color. So let's go ahead and put the case on like so, and boom, it fits way better than it does with the iPhone 13 Pro. And you can see here we get the raised lip here that matches the Apple logo here in the center, as well as the buttons on the side. And it's a hard plastic raise as well. So if you were to drop this phone here, it's not going to damage the camera housing by any means if you have a silicone case on it. But one of the things I like about Apple cases is the fact of how smooth it is. Like, it is a crazy, crazy smooth case, and it just looks good, man. Like I'm saying, like, it looks really freaking good on the phone. Now, if I was to actually pair this with one of my C1 signature stands, and again, I'll have links for the C1 stands down below. Probably gonna have to re-up on them, but anyway, I would recommend you guys get this in the orange, and you can see right here, man, it pairs perfectly with the orange with this brand new iPhone 15 Pro. Now, you also, if you want to, black again goes with everything. So if you want to get this with the black, you can just sit that on like so, and just like that, it's going to pair well with the black and kind of give you this, you know, we're coming up on a Halloween time frame, so why not go ahead and get your orange and black, you know, and get it popping. Now, if I also was to go ahead and pair this with the wallet, I would probably pair this with the black wallet right here. And again, if you wanted to, you can go black wallet. You can see it here paired with the black wallet. You can go black wallet with the orange case, and then boom, you can go all black stand as well. I just think overall, man, that is a fire combo as well. Now, you can't sit the actual wallet on the stand just because of the size. It just won't fit. It's fit more perfectly for it. So you can have your wallet actually unlock, add to my Find My, which is really dope that you can do with these wallets as well, that you can see there that just popped up on the phone. But I personally think the black wallet with the orange is probably the way to go for sure. All right, so moving right along, we're gonna go ahead and slide the pink one on here, because pink is actually one of the colors that Apple kind of debuted this year when it comes to their watches. So if you guys did get the pink Apple Watch Series 9, then this is probably gonna be a good matchup for you right here. And this is the pink on that natural color. So if you guys like the natural titanium color, this is exactly what it's gonna look like on the phone. Now, if I was to pair a wallet with this, I would probably either go again with the black, because again, black is just gonna go with anything. And then if I'm doing, possibly you could maybe be able to get away with this color? I don't know. Let me know with the pink and brown. Would you do pink and brown? I don't know. I don't know. I'll probably just mainly stick with the black with the pink. I think that one's gonna look the best. Now, if we're going with the C1 signature stands here, if you're gonna pair the whole thing all together and wrap it all into one, I would also go with the black C1 signature stand with the pink case. I feel like it's gonna be the best option for you out of the different colors. Now, if you also wanna go, possibly you can go with the space gray here. If I wanted to go space gray, I can easily go with the space gray color with that pink as well. But I feel like if you go on black wallet, then I would probably go with the black C1 signature stand. And again, I'll have links for this down in the description section below. All right, so the next one that we got here is gonna be the all black on black. Now this is, as you guys know, black on black is just gonna be a just classic color for you guys to be able to get. Like, it's a color that is timeless. It's never gonna really show dirt or anything like that. And this is something that you might have a problem when it comes to like the pink or the lighter cases or something like that. But when it comes to this all black case, you're not gonna have any issues with that at all when it comes to that as well. Now, again, you get your cutouts here at the bottom, get your button here, two-tone on the sides here with the action button. And then we also get our raised lip here around the camera housing there. So all in all, man, this case right here looks fire on the natural titanium. It's definitely one of my favorite. If you guys want to go real low key, I think this is going to be a good option for you. Now, another thing is, if we want to sit it on a C1 signature stand, boom, right there, you can get it on the black on black. I think it's going to look good. But again, black goes with pretty much everything. So if I wanted to put it on the orange, I can go ahead and put it on the orange as well. And then boom, I think that looks good. Or if I want to sit it in landscape mode, I can do that as well. Sit it bedside or sit it on your desk. This is going to be a good option for you as well. But again, black goes with everything. So if you wanted to put it on the blue one also works as well. But yeah, you can pretty much put the black one on any one of these colors, and I just think it's gonna pop as well. Now, as far as the wallets go, it will go with anything. Now, you can go black on black here, as you guys can see right here. I think the black on black looks good. Or if you want to go with the taupe color, you can go with kind of the brown taupe color. I think that can also work as well. Again, you can go with I think it's mulberry. You can go with the mulberry one. Mulberry actually pops as well. You can go blue. Blue looks good on it too. Or you can also go with the green. This is going to be that evergreen color. And I think the evergreen color also looks good. So again, black is the most versatile case that I think you're gonna be able to buy out there on the market today. All right, so moving along, man, we're gonna go ahead and move to this. I believe this one was called clay. It's like a clay color that you guys get. So it's kind of a mixture between like a clay, gray, and like a brownish little, it's got a hint of brown in it as well that you guys should be aware of, which is actually perfect for the natural titanium color. So if you got the natural titanium color, I think this is gonna be a solid option for you guys when it comes to the case, because I feel like it's gonna give you a lot of those earthy tones that you can get with this case. And again, you get your two-tone buttons here, the raised lip as far as the camera housing, the cutout here at the bottom for the USB-C port for charging, and then you also get your Apple logo here on the back. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I wish Apple would make their cases without the Apple logo. Sometimes I just don't like having an Apple logo on the back and just kind of give us more of just a slate clean finish. This is what this one's gonna look like with the case on the iPhone 15 Pro for the natural titanium. And then with this one, if I'm pairing it, I would either go black with the wallet. I think black with the wallet is definitely a go-to, or I would probably go with the taupe color as well. I feel like you can get away with that taupe color because again, you go into those earthy tones and all of that, and I feel like this is gonna pair well with it. And then if we're going with the C1 signature stand, I think the C1 signature stand 100%, I'm either going two colors. I'm going with the black C1 signature stand, or I'm gonna probably go with the space gray as far as the C1 signature stand with that one. Or you could possibly go ahead and get away with the silver color as well. So if you guys want to go silver color with it, I feel like that's also could be a good option for you guys to be able to choose with that as well. But all in all, this is the clay color iPhone 15 Pro silicone case. All right, so moving along, we got our blue color here. Now this is gonna be a popular blue. Again, I feel like this one's gonna go well with that natural titanium. And you can see right here as far as just how good it looks, man. That blue is like a real rich blue. And again, we get our two-tone buttons on the side as far as our action and volume button, cutouts here at the bottom for the charging port, and then we also get our action button and then our raised lip for the camera. But I really do like the blue with the natural titanium. I definitely think it pairs well and goes well with it. Again, when it comes to the cases, with the wallet, I'm probably gonna go with the black for the fine woven case on the wallet here, or you obviously can go with the blue on blue. I think a lot of people are probably gonna go with the blue on blue, and honestly, that blue on blue, I'm not gonna lie, it actually looks fire in itself now that I'm looking at it. But yeah, that blue on blue definitely works for sure. And if we're gonna go with the C1 signature stand, 100% I'm going with the blue, because the blue on blue is just going, I mean, why not? Like, you got the blue case, why not go ahead and get the blue C1 signature stand, man, and match it up, and that way you can have your phone sitting up on your desk while you guys are using it on the phone or looking up a recipe or watching movies. By turning it sideways, you can watch it in landscape mode. Anything that you guys want to do with the stand, you guys can do with it. Or if you want, I feel like the black one would also be a good option as well, if that's something you guys are interested as well. So go ahead and check out the links down in the description section below with this blue color iPhone silicone case. All right, y'all, we're moving right along, y'all. We got the iPhone 15 Pro case in the Evergreen. Now, the Evergreen to me is also a dope looking color. Now, I'm starting to realize with this natural titanium color iPhone, I feel like it goes with all of these cases, which is kind of crazy that all of these cases so far has worked well. It just pairs well with these cases. So, for example, if I was to sit this taupe color on here, I feel like this is an easy go. Like, I would definitely rock this pair right here. Or obviously, if I wanted to, I would go with the black. Again, black is timeless, goes with everything. You don't have to worry about it. You can just easily, slide it into your pants and you're gonna be good to go. Or you can put the green on there, slap the green on there, and then obviously green on green is gonna work well with it. But I feel like this is a good one. And then if you're going with the C1 signature stand, if you wanna have something to be able to sit your phone up on your desk, then I would go with the green C1 signature stand. I feel like that one is gonna be the best color option for you guys to be able to go with it. Or if you want to, you can also go with the black version as well. I feel like that one's also gonna be a good option for you guys as well. But all in all, man, I feel like the Evergreen, everything so far has been going perfectly with this natural titanium color. All right, now the next one that we got here is more of like a sky blue. Now, I'm not 100% sure. I got the boxes over here, but I don't really feel like looking at the boxes, but I'll have the proper names for them down in the description section below. But you can see here with more so like this sky blue, I'm calling it really the North Carolina blue, the Jordan blue. This one right here, y'all, I think also works with this natural titanium. Like, we got one more left that we can see if it's actually gonna work with it, or it should be like possibly on a whole nother phone. But so far, all of these cases, how many cases we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So we got so far 7 out of the 8 cases go perfectly with this natural titanium. And again, even with the case on it, y'all, like the phone is just crazy light. It's kind of ridiculous how light this phone is. But either way, let's get back to the cases. So we got the two-tone here. We got the raised lip on the outside. We got our two-tone buttons on the side, along with the Apple logo to match. And then we get our cutouts here for the speaker grill, as well as the USB-C port for charging. But all in all, man, I really do like the blue as it goes with it too. I feel like it's another W for the natural titanium. So let's go ahead and put the darker blue on here. Now, this is gonna be something if you guys wanna be able to, kind of get a two-tone look. Now, Apple did not make a wallet that's gonna pair well with this blue as far as the lighter blue. I feel like they possibly should have given us a lighter blue one to kind of match with this one. But either way, I feel like two-tone, you can get away with it for sure, as it somewhat matches the two-tone buttons on the side. Or if you want to, just to play it safe, easily go with the black. I think the black wallet on there is probably gonna be your better option for me, is what I would choose. And then if we're gonna go with the C1 signature stand, I would two-tone it, because here's the dope part about it. If you guys do go with the wallet with it, you can easily be able to pair this up with the blue to match the blue here, and it can give you a whole vibe if you guys want to. So if I take that off, boom, I can have that there, got the wallet sitting off to the side. And I think it just completes the whole trinity and the whole setup right here with the iPhone 15 Pro. And again, if you guys want to play it safe, you can go with the black C1 signature stand, and I think it's also going to work perfectly as well. But all in all, man, this is the blue. Probably like a cyan blue. I'm gonna say that's the color. I literally can't remember at all, but this is the color right here. All right, so far, y'all, we've been batting 1,000, y'all, as far as these cases matching this new phone. But we're gonna put this red one on here, and we're gonna see if the red goes well with the natural titanium. And I'm gonna be honest, I probably would not rock this red here, because this one here is more of like it's kind of like a lighter pinkish red, I don't know really what to explain it, but it's not like a deep red like you can get out there with some of the other cases that are out there. But does the case look good? Yeah, it looks good, but it's probably not the one that I would rock with the natural titanium color. I would probably rock this case here more so with like the black titanium. I feel like that one would pop a little bit more and just look way better than it does on the natural titanium. So if it was me, I probably wouldn't go to red here with the natural titanium, in my opinion. And then if we're talking as far as if you do want to go with it though, then I would say as far as the wallet, you can go with the black one for sure. And you can just kind of get a vibe here as far as how good the black goes well with this case right here versus like this natural titanium. So again, if you were going the black titanium with the red case with the black wallet, fuego. But let's go ahead and check out the stand. So if I was to do a stand with this one, again, I would go with the black stand, because again, I feel like the black stand is gonna go perfect with this one right here. And again, if we were to swap out the wallets and we put the wallet kind of, side on the desk right there, I think it's also gonna pair well and just complete your whole setup as far as your iPhone. But there you guys have it, man. That is pretty much every single silicone case that you guys can get with the brand new iPhone 15 Pro lineup. You guys can let me know down below which one out of these silicone cases is your favorite, as well as which one of the C1 signature stands is also your favorite. You can let me know, because again, we got the space gray, we got the black, we got the green, we also got the blue, we got silver, and then last but not least, we got the orange, which obviously you guys know I had to get the orange in-house. But what I love about these stands is the fact that, man, it is super compact. You can easily slide it into your backpack, and you just can easily go anywhere with it. So if you guys are going from your dorm room to a friend's room, or if you're going to from one house to another friend's house, you can easily be able to take these, collapse them away, put them right into your backpack or your pocket, and just easily be on your way. Because I wanted something that was going to be small enough for you guys to easily be able to take with you, because again, I do a lot of traveling, so for me, I need something to be able to take with me wherever I go. But yeah, that's pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys have any questions, again, everything will be linked for you guys down in the description section below. This is the brand new iPhone 15 Pro in all of its glory with all of the cases. Let me know. Thanks again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad.